In this video I'm diving deeper into this Bang Olufsen Beomaster 1001. In my previous video I replaced every single capacitor and resoldered most of the solderings, and with these repairs there's no bang and popping anymore, but still there is small extra noise coming from the left channel. Even if the volume is very low, it's kind of humming, little bit cracking type of sound, and I'm suspecting that the problem is with these volume sliders, in other words linear potentiometers, because there is two contact surfaces sliding against each other, and if there's dirt between those contact surfaces, that may cause some extra noise. So my plan is taking these out, open it up, clean all the contact surfaces, then putting everything back together, and hopefully the amplifier is silent when it needs to be and loud when it needs to be. So straight to the point. I have desoldered and take them out, and there's two pins holding this plastic cover together, and head of the pin is melted, so it's not meant to be opened, but if I just bend here and do a little wiggle, I can pop the head of the pin out, and then the covers are opened. And it's important to open this gently, so that the cover is not broken, only the head of the pin, and always try to see inside before it opens, so you know if there's some part in specific orientation, or if some small part comes out, then you know how it should be inside. Now we can see inside, and with this equalizer slider there is two separate carbon rails, because this one slider handles both left and right channels. So behind this plate here we can see that there is another carbon rail, and one thing to notice is that there is very small carbon piece on top of that metal plate, and that carbon is sliding against this carbon right here, and those might fall out, so make sure you don't lose those small carbon pieces. Main thing to do is use this kind of contact cleaner. Basically any contact cleaner will do, and then just with cotton stick